Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Beyond the province of War, there was a city. All its inhabitants were blind. A king with his entourage arrived nearby. He brought his army and camped in the desert. He had a mighty elephant which he used in attack and to increase the people's health. The people became anxious to see the elephant, and some sightless from among this blind community ran like fools to find it. As they did not even know the form or shape of the elephant, gathering information by touching some part of it, each thought that he knew something because he could feel a part. When they returned to their fellow citizens in their city, eager groups clustered around them. Each of these was anxious misguidedly to learn the truth from those who were themselves lost. They asked about the form, the shape of the elephant, and listened to all that they were told. The man whose hand had reached the ear was asked about the elephant's nature. He said, "It is a large, rough thing, wide and broad like a rug." And the one who had felt the trunk said, "I have the real facts about it. It is like a straight and hollow pipe, awful and destructive." The one who had felt its feet and legs said, "It is mighty and firm like a pillar." Each had felt one part out of many. Each had perceived it wrongly. No mind knew all. Knowledge is not the companion of the blind. All imagined something incorrect. The created is not informed about divinity. There is no way in this science by means of the ordinary intellect. One has to have a very vast and holistic sight.